Okay, gang, I probably should have started filming this earlier as yield shackle is already out. But I filmed the whole process on the other side for the sake of documentation. But on this side, I pretty much just jacked it up with this handy dandy floor jack and my mountain of cribbing, don't judge, on one side of the bumper, and I just took it up to where the tire was still touching the ground, but I felt like I had a little free play in my bolts. Then I took my handy dandy Milwaukee impact on this bottom bolt here and zipped it out a little bit of the ways until that was free, pulled that out, took my jack, lowered it down to where this spring was sitting above the frame rail, and that allowed me to bring my impact in from the back side here and run that bolt out, freeing said shackle. And we'll pretty much do the reverse process to put the drop shackle back in, which I'm gonna do now. Okay, so now on to the other side. Got my nuts off there. Get her started. Got my bumper jacked up a little bit, and that turns pretty easy by hand. I call that mint. So after that, I'm gonna take my handy dandy impact and run this bolt out. Had to drop my other exhaust out of the way because God forbid a guy has to do exhaust, and yeah, we'll get her done. All right, yep, that bolt's out. Came out pretty easy. Lowered my jack down to let the body back down. Not gonna film this part or demonstrate whatever because it's a pain, but I'll get my impact up between the frame and the bed there, run that bolt out, and then tap and die the nuts and bolts I'm going to reuse and put her back together. Okay, yeah, new shackle in. The only thing, my only complaint, which whatever, they're new bushings, is really tight going into your bottom pocket here, so I'd put a little bend out on this ear. Nothing crazy, the bolt will pull it right back in, but that's just for ease of installation. And then it probably goes without saying, but put some never sees on these shafts for the bolts in those bushings. It might save you down the road if you get sick of something or want to change something around. Well, yeah, I'm gonna jack this back up, bring this back up to here, get her bolted up, and that should hopefully be a wrap. Alright, yeah, drop shackle number 2 in, race pipe reinstalled. I got all the bolts torqued to tight, and yeah, I'm gonna roll her back and forth, see if it settles a little bit, and see if I'm happy with the results. Okay, well, did a little back and forth in the driveway, and yeah, took a lot of the rake out. I kind of would like a little more out of the back. Luckily I got the front portion to do as well, and if I'm not happy with that, then whatever, axle flip and bring the front down, but looks a lot better. I dig it. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you out, cool. If not, no big deal, we'll try again next time. Drop shackles, I get it, are easy, but sometimes other people's methods might help streamline your own. And yeah, thanks.